Okay, here's a tutorial in Vegas Pro version 15 on how to put two videos side by side, two horizontal videos. So let's select two videos from this folder, drag and drop them onto the timeline of Vegas. Okay, so that's the first clip and that's the second clip, and let's click on the first one and go here to the first button. So we have three buttons here, and the first one is event pan crop. Click on event pan crop, and then we have here two layers, the position and the mask. Make sure you're on the first one, on position, and click on the first keyframe. Okay, that triangle is a keyframe, make sure you're on that one. Now click inside here and zoom out with the scroll wheel, and we have this dot on the right side. Now hold down Alt and Shift and drag this one, this dot, to the right. So Alt Shift and drag. Okay, and as you can see, as you drag it, now this portion is the video itself, and inside that video it has this clip, and you can see it's only on the left side. Now let's close this one and do the same thing with the next clip. So click on the next clip's event pan crop button, go to the position layers first keyframe, click on that triangle, zoom out, and now this time Alt Shift and drag the left side to the left. Okay, so this video is on the right side and the other one is on the left side. Now all we have to do is put one on top of the other. So press Ctrl Shift and Q to insert a new layer. Ctrl Shift Q. Okay, now drag the video up and the audio down, and just move them on top of each other, and voila, you have two videos, one next to the other one, two horizontal videos. Okay, that's how to put two horizontal videos, two landscape ones, next to each other inside Vegas Pro version 15. Thanks for watching and bye bye.